Hey there, moving with our series about the master the C4Ps. We talk about things that you should consider before start working. We talk about the title, we talk about the description. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, go to the last three videos. And now we have here something more, another aspect that you should consider when working with your proposal. Okay, if you got here, probably your proposal is looking great. Okay, if you work it on the aspects that we've talked so far, but we have some things more, some other details that you can help you increase the possibility of your approval on events. Okay, first, it's usually the events that has call for papers. They have a field that is hidden from the audience that only the track coordinators, the track leaders, the organization see that field. That is detail, more information, and another usually is a huge field with thousands of characters where you will detail what you want to do in your talk. So here you will tell the track leaders about what you would like to do, if you will do a live demo, if you have some video, if you will get into the stage in a skateboard, or if you will give prizes to the person who asks questions. I don't know. Whatever details that is not on the title and is not on the description, you will put here. Okay, and really use this field. Really tell the coordinators what you would like to do, what you intend to do with your talk. Okay, but because if they reach on this field, they are really interested on you. They are really interested on your talk. Okay, so really tell them what you want to do. Okay, it's important to tell them if you are, for example, use some use case, talk about some use case, case of success and fail. People don't. It's not common that people explore failing cases. Okay, but if you have some failing cases, it's very useful because you will differentiate from another proposals. If you have already given this talk in another conference, in a meetup, online, it's useful also to make this reference. Get the URL and put on this field, okay, for the coordinators. Another aspect that is very useful, it's your profile. Usually, when it's your first time on that event, you need to work on your profile. And here, please, it's not a resume, okay? It's not that important where you work it, or where you will put where you are working right now, but don't use that field to explore, oh, I did this and that, I work in that company, the other company, and this this fun company, and I did. No. This field is very short. You have a small amount of characters, so use it wisely. What is great to put here? The people that you help, the problems that you solve. Okay, so I said before, as programmers, as developers, we are problem solvers. So use that field to talk about the problems that you solve, the people that you help. Okay, so I help Java programmers to build fast applications so they can do great on their projects. Okay, it's very much more helpful than saying I work on that company and I'm software engineer. Okay, what do you do? What do you really do? Okay, so use wisely this field. Okay. Another thing that is helpful is to send talks with another person or another people. talks with 2 or 3 people is very helpful, because first you guys will work together on the proposal itself, so it's usually improve the result. And also if it's helpful if you can send your talk with someone that is have much more experience than you, or someone that is known on that conference. So it's not there is no problem at all to send proposals like that. People do it a lot, and it's very helpful because the experienced people help the inexperienced people to get into the events and to get the experience on be on the stage, on give talks, on send proposals. Is very helpful. It has no problem at all. At the opposite, it usually increase the level of the events, because you have much more people, much more knowledge being shared. So it's very helpful. So use it wisely, of course, but there is no problem. If you and your friend never gave a talk on the conference, do it the first time, you 2 guys together. Okay, there's no problem. It's great. So apply these concepts, and I'm sure that you will do great. And another aspect that many people miss it is ask for help. Okay, so don't do it alone. Even if you are just you sending the proposal, okay, but ask for help in the process of sending proposals. Okay, so you wrote the title, send to your colleagues. Hey, what do you think about this title? You send to someone that has nothing to do with software, with computers. Okay, because if your title looks great for someone that don't know anything about it, it's even better, because your targets is help even someone that are beginning in the area. So and sometimes the beginners don't know a lot of about the trendings, the words that we use. So you can also get the opinions from the people that are beginners or still not related to the computing industry. So ask for help for them, send the title, send the description, and ask again, I've talked before, ask about for the coordinators. If you it's okay to say, hey coordinator, hey you, I'm thinking about to send about this and that. Okay, I'm thinking about to talk about this and that. Okay, ask questions. They will not say, oh, send that and I will prove you. Not, but yeah, it's interesting. Yes, this kind of subject we would like to have. Or, man, this one we don't know this year, because we have a lot about it last year, and this year we want something new. Okay, so sorry, so it's useful to ask about it for the track coordinators. Okay, so hope you enjoy. So here this video we talk about something more that you can work. So the details, asking help, and working with your profile. Okay, so hope you enjoy it. See you next time. Bye bye.